Well, hi everybody, and welcome back. There's not really lots to report at the moment. The snow's finally melting, but the ground hasn't thawed out properly yet, so things aren't growing really very well. But anyway, it's time to set up the table in the greenhouse, in the conservatory rather. So I've put one up, and I've got one more to do, and I'll just sort of show you what's going on at the moment. There's not a lot, but it just sort of shows you really. So what we got? Now these are a good buy. Used to be £3.99 and they were reduced to 50p. So I bought 4 of those, which was quite good. There's some cannas we've got growing in the conservatory. They're doing quite well. Not too wet. They'll be doing alright. Now we started off some of the dahlias. As you can see, we've got nice little shoots on them. We'll be taking cutting shortly. And if you look down here, these are our sweet potatoes from last year, and they've actually just started to grow here now. And they basically call them whips, I think it is. And when they're about sort of 4 or 5 inches high, you sort of plant those, which is quite good. Now what about this, eh? What do you think? This is asparagus. Look at that, eh? Absolutely amazing. They're 1-year-old crowns. I've actually let them get away really. I should have put them in the ground, but I just left them in an old seed tray, and they've shot off. And I don't really know what to do with them really. We could just sort of cut them down again, I suppose, and let them grow. Don't know. Suggestions on that maybe? You sure was planting the seed potatoes? Well, this is just a quick update. As you can see, they've got nice healthy shoots on them. That's the Swift variety. Next to that we had the Casablanca variety. All with nice healthy shoots, doing well. Home Guard, can't go wrong with Home Guard, always reliable. Lovely good shoots. Now these ones here, they're looking a bit poor actually, but that's because we bought them from a local supermarket and sort of forgot them in the cupboard. They started to sprout, so I thought I'd just do the same to these as what I did to them. But they're going a bit soft, they are, so I don't think they'll be much good. But it's just a bit of fun really. We bought a cheap reduced strawberry plant from our local garden centre. We're going to try and save it really, but it's not looking all that healthy. As you see, it's got a couple of little shoots on it. Bit of a rootstock, it might be alright. It's hard to tell really. There's supposed to be 3 plants in here, and they don't look very healthy at all actually. But I reckon we might be able to save one out of those, which is really good. So we'll just leave them in there. They obviously need potting onto somewhere else. Anyway, so that's not inside. We've got lots more to do. There's another table I've got to get into the conservatory. So you have to forgive the mess in the garden because the snow's all gone. And here we go. These are onion sets we planted. The other day you couldn't even see them, they was covered in snow. Still got nice lots of roots growing. They're all doing pretty healthy really. Not too bad at all. We really need to get down the allotment to get them in, but the ground's still frozen. So if we pop over to our cold frame, this has done not too bad, as you can see. Now the onions, I think they're taking holiday. They haven't done a thing. Haven't budged an inch. And yet the leeks, look at them little beauties. Lovely little plants. Nice, strong, healthy things. That's a pretty good sized plant. So they're doing okay. And obviously we saw the plant of garlic straight into the tubs. Let's pull one out. There you go, look at that. Nice little plant. Roots haven't gone through. Oh look. Where is it? Slugs. They're hiding. I'll have to get onto them. Right, I'll do this bed later. I've got some more garlic down there, as you can see. That's doing alright. And even the peas we planted, they're just about to show the head. There's got one just sort of there, you might be able to see it. There's another one just coming just down there, which is not too bad really this time of year. The broad beans, Where are we? There we go. Broad beans. They're up. These ones are up a bit further, but I didn't like the cold weather and they're sulking at the moment. And the ones we planted in here, the ground is still rock hard, I'm afraid, so it's not doing a lot. But I better cover them up, otherwise it could get cold again tonight. So we've got lots to do and lots to crack on with. So I've still got to put that other table up in the other side of the conservatory for some more plants to do. So we'll be cracking on. Lots of stuff going in, lots of seeds. Thanks a lot. See you later.